Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video I will teach you how you can insert a picture, especially when you are writing your CV. So you need to insert a picture in your Word file. So you will go to insert and here you will find the option shape. So here you will select the specific shape. Let's suppose I select this shape. Okay, you will draw your shape here. Okay, and then you can specify its position. Then we will go to shape fill option, and here we have to select the picture option. Okay, and then here we will select the from a file, and then we have to specify the picture. Where we have the picture, let's go to the desktop, and okay, so now you can see that we have insert a picture in a shape, or you can change its position, so you can put anywhere in your CV. If you want to change the shape, and then you will go to the here this option, then go to shape, and now you can change the shape like this. So in any shape you can change from this option. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. Thank you.